Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We're here on Highcliffe, isn't it?
Yeah.
Highcliffe Beach. It's a really, really long beach. Didn't even know it existed until now. It's absolutely huge. It's beautiful around here. We're going to take you around and show you some views. At the top there and show you the views from the top car park. It really is something, I tell you. Look at the length of that beach. Absolutely huge. It's beautiful. Yeah. Really nice. Just some lovely walks up here. Snake on there. There was a picture of a snake on there.
Yeah, I know. Well, it's only adders.
Yeah. I've got my shoes.
You only got adders and grass.
I've got closed-in shoes, so I'm alright. Walks very dark in here though because of all the trees. It's really pretty, isn't it? And to think this is next to that beach. It's only literally, isn't it, a 10-minute walk away from that beach?
Yeah.
It's pretty. Yeah. Lovely. Oh, it's nice. Really pretty little place. So there you go, you can spend the day at the beach and then come here for a nature walk. Lovely. Really nice. Bluebells coming out, pretty, aren't they? It really is lovely. So this is Chewton Nature Reserve. Another new place we've not seen before. Nice little find, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah. Got all the views, ain't you?
Yeah, well,
And everything, and
look at the ocean out there.
yeah,
you know what I mean.
It's lovely. That nature reserve surprised me.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Well, by the side of the sea is.